Ever wanted to share your stunning photo collections online with elegant, custom web galleries directly from Lightroom Classic? Today, we're diving into how to leverage Lightroom Classic's powerful web module to create gorgeous, shareable photo galleries. After you've imported and perfected your photos, simply navigate to the web module, located in the top right corner of your Lightroom interface. On the left side, you'll find a variety of pre-designed templates. Click through them to see instant previews of your photos in different layouts. Now, let's customize. Use the panels on the right to adjust your gallery's appearance, from colors and fonts to background textures. Add your personal touch by including titles, captivating captions for each image, and even your contact information so viewers can connect with you. Don't forget to define your output settings for the images themselves. This includes image quality, resizing, and watermarking if you choose. Before exporting, always hit the Preview in Browser button. This gives you a real-world look at how your gallery will appear online, allowing for any final tweaks. Once you're completely satisfied, click Export. Lightroom Classic will then generate all the necessary HTML files and image folders. Transfer these files to your web server, and your gallery will be live for the world to see. It's that simple. Create professional, stunning web galleries for your photography with Lightroom Classic. Happy sharing!